Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you a little project I made using the Graphic 45 metal die cut folder and sentiment die. I used 8x8 collection pack of autumn greetings. I also used a couple sheets of the patterns and solids. I used some rub-on transfers from the same collection and some of the cardstock stickers. I used some chipboard tags and frames and some of the ephemera from Autumn's Greetings. I also used some of Graphic 45's little pearl gems. This is my little file folder mini. You can see my rub-on transfers here. The little delicious autumn right back here is from the back of the rub-on transfers. I just have some sari silk as a closure. When you open it, it's got a little pocket here. You can tell is that part of the die cut. And then I stuck in some ephemera for people to write what they're thankful on the back. And then I made a little insert. You can write in it. This page, one of the little stamps, and a leaf. Created a pocket here. I just folded one of their little journaling cards in half. And that's an insert. Then I created a pocket on this page. And then I added a couple more things for people to write what they're thankful for. And then I used this large ephemera piece and made it a little tuck spot. And that folds out. I folded another journaling card. And that part, that's a rub-on transfer. So is that. So I made another little pocket on this page. Then I added some ephemera and a larger journaling card. Created another little pocket on this page. Added a leaf and a little fox. Another little pocket here. I just added some more ephemera. Then my last page, this is a cardstock sticker, a little cardstock tab thing. It opens up, has a little pocket, and the pocket has a bunch of ephemera in it. And that pulls out. And that also pulls out. I hope you enjoyed my project. Come back and check my channel for the tutorial. Thank you.